This video introduces how to configure the Disable Reset feature on Ruijie Cloud ISP. Do you often have to provide on-site support for home routers due to configuration loss caused by users accidentally pressing the reset button? Ruijie Cloud ISP provides the Disable Reset feature, which prevents configuration loss and reduces O&M costs. If a large number of devices need to be configured with the Disable Reset feature, perform the following steps. Log into Ruijie Cloud ISP and choose Operations Batch Configuration. Click Add Template to create a template. Select Disable Reset. Enter the template name. Toggle on Disable Reset. And click Save to create the template. In the displayed dialog box, click Go to Add Task to deliver the template configuration in batches. Set task name and validity period. The newly created template is automatically selected. If devices are not activated before estimated task end, the configuration does not take effect on them. Click Next. Select projects to be configured and click Save. The system displays whether the selected projects support the Disable Reset feature. Click OK to deliver the configuration automatically. Click Go to view configuration delivery details. If only one device needs to be configured with the Disable Reset feature, refer to the following steps. Log into Ruijie Cloud ISP, choose Projects from the navigation pane, and select the project to be configured. Click the Configuration tab. Click Disable Reset. And toggle on Disable Reset. In the displayed dialog box, click OK to enable the Disable Reset feature. After a device is connected to Ruijie Cloud ISP, enable the Disable Reset feature. Use a pin to press and hold the reset button on the device for tens until the system LED starts to blink. Then, release the button to restore the device to factory settings. Log into Ruijie Cloud ISP. All configurations remain the same as those before factory settings are restored. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Ruijie official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.